Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to manage participants as a host in a Zoom meeting. So first, you can mute them by clicking right mouse button and then click on mute. And now we can ask to unmute, and as you can see, the host would like you to unmute. We can also stay muted or unmute, and then we can mute ourselves again. We can ask to start a video or click later, and then we can also rename them. And as you guys can see, now it's test 2. So we can also remove him from the meeting, and once removed, test 2 will not be able to rejoin the meeting. We simply click remove, and now the host has removed you from this meeting. Thank you guys for watching. This was a quick tutorial on how to manage participants in a Zoom meeting as a host. See you in the next one.